What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beard oils 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 5. King C Gillette Beard Oil. Formulated with 99% plant-based oils. Infused with argan, jojoba, avocado, macadamia seed and almond oils to moisturize dry skin and soften your beard. Non-greasy formula. This lightweight, non-greasy formula conditions the hair to make it feel soft and smooth. Fragranced with scents of bergamot, geranium and cedarwood to leave your beard smelling great. Moisturizes dry skin underneath your beard. Apply a few drops daily, more for longer beards, onto your palm, then work treatment into beard and skin. Number 4. Mountaineer Brand Beard Oil. Look and feel good with Mountaineer Brand Beard Oil. Just a dab tames even the wildest beard or mustache. Natural oils condition wiry, scruffy beards while soothing the dry, itchy skin underneath. Leaves coarse hair soft, moisturized with a healthy shine. Tame the mane. Start with a few drops of oil in your palm, rub together and massage upward into facial hair to make contact with your skin. 100% all-natural grapeseed, almond and castor oils absorb quickly, prompting hair growth while hydrating dry skin. Boost growth. Condition new, short, long or patchy beards with our oil to help prevent ingrown hairs and split ends while stimulating hair follicles. Add to your daily routine for a fuller beard appearance and manageability. Turns meh beards to epic. Hydrate and soothe. Our specially formulated unscented oil helps hydrate dry hair and skin while reducing beard dandruff without feeling greasy or sticky. Perfect to use during the itchy phase of new growth. Leaves beard with a well-groomed shine. Handmade in West Virginia, USA. Mountaineer Brand Men's Grooming line provides premium, high-quality all-natural products. Each batch is handcrafted with you in mind. If you're not satisfied, just let us know and we'll refund your money. No questions asked. Number 3. Honest Amish Beard Oil. Our classic oil is packed with 14 premium natural and organic oils that nourish and strengthen your beard and your skin. It works to maintain healthy hair follicles that promote growth, nourishes the skin beneath your beard to hydrate your face and avoid the dreaded beardruff, all while giving your beard a healthy shine and natural, outdoorsy scent. The scent of our classic oil is a classic natural, sweet, woodsy scent. Fragrance. For folks who are familiar with the scent of our beard balm, this oil has the same notes. This product is best applied after a shower to a damp beard. 1. Remove a dime-sized amount of oil from the dropper point. 2. Rub the oil into your hands. 3. Spread the oil evenly into your beard. Work the oil into the skin on your face, underneath your beard, as well. Ingredients: extra virgin organic pumpkin seed oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, kukui nut oil, virgin organic argan nut oil, golden organic jojoba oil, cedarwood oil, star anise oil, clove butt oil, grapefruit, pink oil, Bulgarian lavender oil, organic cinnamon leaf oil, organic arvensis peppermint oil. It has the same scent as our regular beard balm, a blend of 7 essential oils. Number 2. The Gentleman's Beard Oil. Handmade in the USA. Warning. Ask where the product is actually made before you buy. Unlike a lot of our competitors, all of our products are handcrafted in the USA with our own proprietary formulas and are created from scratch. We don't just slap a label on an already made product from some distributor or import it from China, then call it our own. Don't settle for other cheap lubricants oils with lesser fillers. Promote healthy beard growth, softens and strengthens beards and mustaches. This organic beard oil won't just make your beard feel healthier, it will also look healthier, with a smooth, shiny appearance that helps it appear fuller and thicker. Forget about beard itch and beard dandruff. Make your beard more manageable and less frizzy. From the very first use, this beard softener oil will make your beard less coarse and abrasive. It will be manageable and easy to groom, with no stray whiskers. The oil is quickly absorbed deep into your beard hairs, making them softer and stronger without any greasy residue or heaviness. For your beard to look and feel fantastic, the skin underneath has to be in great condition. 100% money-back guarantee. Our dark amber ounce glass bottle extends the shelf life by protecting the oils from UV light rays and oxidation. Pure natural oils not packaged in dark bottles will lose potency and become non-effective. Guaranteed to give you the best beard experience or your money back. Order now, risk-free, and see for yourself. Number 1. Jack Black Beard Oil. This exclusive blend of certified organic natural oils, potent antioxidants and vitamins helps to prevent dry, itchy skin and achieve a conditioned, healthy-looking beard. Fast-absorbing natural oils soften and hydrate dry, brittle facial hair for more control and a healthy shine. Lightly scented with botanicals and essential oils. Kalahari melon oil and marula oil. Rich in fatty acids, these fast-absorbing hydrating oils soften facial hair and smooth the skin underneath the beard. Brown algae and carrot extract. Powerful antioxidants to help protect against the damaging effects of free radicals. Vitamin E. Known as an antioxidant superstar, it works to counteract free radical damage. Plum oil. Softens brittle and dry facial hair for added control and healthy shine. How and when to use it. To use, pump 2 to 3 drops of beard oil into your palm. Rub hands together and massage upward into facial hair, making contact with the skin underneath. To finish, groom beard downward with fingers or brush and style as usual. Reapply as needed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.